course end space F semicolon, and that's it. End semicolon, because this is the end of what? Of the body of the SQL statement or PL/SQL statement. Table created, trigger created. It's done. There's no errors. It's came from the first shot. Okay? Okay. Let's make an update. Let's make an insert statement. Insert into EMP. Okay. Let's say I want to insert into employee number and department number. That's it. Values. What's the values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma, department number 20. Embedded identifier. Why? What's the name of the department? It's Dipteno. Oh, it's not Dipteno. I'm making a mistake. Again, it's Dip, DPTNO, and let's go for the rest. Save error. Very larger than specified. Okay, larger. Let's make it smaller. 1, 2, 3, comma, 20. That's it. See? Inserting process. Because insert statement now executed. Because since it's not executed, excuse me, since the insert statement is not executed, the trigger will not fire. But once it's executed, the trigger will what? Will fire. Of course, you can make a lot of things. You can make a lot of things. We said if inserting, right? So we can say if inserting over here. If inserting, then it's very simple, right? DBM has just to print something. But what about that you want to make a specific conditions on the table? That means, what about that you don't want to make his salary greater than a value, specific value? Or how about that you want to check that the data type that inserted inside every tuple 100% is correct? You can do it through this part. If inserting, you can check, you can assign a value to a cursor or to a variable, right? And then you make your own conditions and you make your own procedure on that value. Don't make it so close. Open your mind that this kind of, variables, declaring variables, making your own cursors, just all of these you can connect together to make your own trigger or whatever you want, procedure, function, makes 100% correctly and manipulate with the data. Okay? So you can assign the salary to a variable and you can check the salary, right? You can assign employee number to a variable and make things with employee number. Okay? You can do whatever you want in the inserting. Just read the PDF file very clearly, be focused when you're reading it, and you can do anything. Let's make an update statement. Update EMP set. Okay, set what? Let's say set. Okay, set ename equal. Let's say Ali, whatever. Where EMP and O equal 10. You see, there is 10 Muhammad, right? I change it to someone's name Ali, whatever. And where employee number equal 10. You see, it's update process. Of course, there is 2 trigger for this table, right? New salary is better, it's nothing. Okay. Ali and 10. But focus, there is 2 triggers and 2 triggers are fired. Okay? 2 triggers are fired. The trigger that checks salary and the trigger for the updating, inserting, deleting. Let's delete someone. Delete from EMP where EMP and O equal 10, which is Ali. It's a deleting process. Okay, it's a deleting process. See? Of course, if you cannot make the one trigger for your project, I made the trigger in one trigger, the whole project in one trigger. You can make it in several triggers, okay? Because the trigger, each trigger will fire, okay, according to certain thing. So don't worry, you can make it in one trigger, you can make it in different triggers. I'm happy to help you every Monday. I will be on the MIG lab, Dana Hall, second floor, from 12 till 3. Before that, I'm not there. After that, I'm not there. If I left the MIG lab for any reason, you will see a note when I will be back on the front door, as someone left her assignment to me in previous time. That's it for today. I didn't explain the function. I didn't explain the procedure. I have to finish the SQL today, as the professor said. So please read it carefully. Read function, read the procedure, read the trigger carefully. Start with your project in the spring break, because you will never have time after that. I'm sorry to say that, because maybe you have a schedule or something, but if you have time, just do your projects, finish everything, because after that, final will be coming so soon. Thank you so much.
The trigger
There's two projects, Project A, Project B. Project A, actually, I saw it. Project B, I forgot about it, but you can read it. It's on the PDF file, okay? Thank you so much.
So, the due, because the professor rescheduled.
They ask the professor about anything related to the due date, anything. I don't know. Professor just gave me the paper, I correct. I don't know what happens during the class. Okay? Just please, one last time, I want to check the names. Okay, Arij, excuse me, Arij. Arij is not here, right? Okay. Adaba, Bahara. Adaba. Okay. Dima. Are you connected to the database? Show me, please. You tell right now. DDF, DID, are you connected to the database? In the lab, you are connected. You can show me in any device.